Quick, before the story starts, hit that subscribe button. Hi everybody, this is Miss Gilding. Today we're going to read Grover and the New Kid by Jennifer Smith, illustrated by Tom Cooke, featuring Jim Henson's Sesame Street Muppets. Grover liked school. He liked his room. He liked his teacher. He liked the children in his class. One day, a new boy came to Grover's school. "This is Barry," said the teacher. "Barry is going to be in our class." "It is hard to be the new kid," Grover said to himself. "I will help Barry. I will be his friend." Grover said, "Hi, Barry. My name is Grover." Barry said, "Hi. Look what I have." Barry took a little car out of his pocket. "Oh, what a cute little car. May I play with it?" asked Grover. Barry shook his head. "No," he said. "Oh," said Grover. "I understand." Grover showed Barry the clay cupboard. He shared his crayons with Barry. He helped Barry find the bathroom. He even gave Barry one of his cookies at milk time, but Barry never once said thank you. Soon it was story time. Everyone sat in a circle. They listened to the teacher read Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Everyone was very quiet. Everyone but Barry. "Please be quiet and listen," said the teacher. Barry kept talking. After story time, everyone went to the playground. "Let's go on the slide," said Barry. "Okay," said Grover. Grover got in line behind Sam, but Barry ran to the front and pushed in front of Molly. Barry climbed up the ladder and stood at the top of the slide. "Hey, Grover," he called. "Look at me." Molly started up the ladder. "Barry did not wait his turn," she said. "That is not nice. Who does he think he is?" Grover said, "He is just new. It is hard to be the new kid. Do not be mad at him." Back inside, Grover showed Barry the wooden puzzles. There was a farm puzzle, an airport puzzle, and a circus puzzle. Truman had the farm puzzle. "I want that one," said Barry. He grabbed it from Truman. At lunch, Grover was the only one who sat with Barry. The others talked about Barry. "Barry doesn't wait his turn," said Molly. "Barry doesn't say please or thank you," said Truman. "Barry reminds me of someone rude," said Sam. "Who?" asked Molly. "Goldilocks," said Sam. They all laughed and laughed. After lunch, Grover painted a picture with a yellow sun, a red house, and a little blue car. He stood back and looked at his picture. It looked good. Grover was proud of his painting. Then Barry came over. He showed Grover his painting. It was a picture of a fire truck. "That is very nice, Barry," said Grover. "Do you like mine?" "You need a fire truck in your picture," Barry said. And he picked up a brush and painted a big red fire truck next to the little blue car. "I do not want a fire truck in my painting," shouted Grover. "You are not nice to anyone." And Grover walked away from Barry. Barry looked surprised. Grover sat all by himself and looked out the window. He did not want to paint anymore. He did not want to look at books. He did not want to do anything. Suddenly, a little toy car ran into Grover's foot. "Do you want to play with my car, Grover?" Barry asked shyly. "I'm sorry about your painting. I forgot how to be nice today." "I know," said Grover. He smiled. "Let's play with your car together." Soon it was time to clean up. Molly washed the paintbrushes. Sam picked up the clay. Truman stacked the puzzles. Grover put away the blocks, and Barry helped everyone. After school, Grover and Barry walked home together. I was afraid to come to school today, said Barry. I know, said Grover. It is hard to be the new kid. At the corner, Grover and Barry waved goodbye. See you tomorrow, said Grover. See you tomorrow, said Barry. I'm glad you are my friend. Thanks for listening to the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I miss you, I love you, and I'll speak to you soon.